Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jay. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my hair journey. It's been 18 beautiful months. So if you want to know what's been going on, just keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all my subscribers that I already have. And no, you're not seeing double. I made another video in this shirt. Come on, let's go. So it's been 18 months. This is the length. I'm going to take down this little ponytail. Guys, I have a whole ponytail. Yes, she has a ponytail. I still have a little struggle edges, but that's all right. This castor oil has been doing wonders. What products am I using? The same products from day one, okay? It's castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I use a specific one because it has lime in it, and I like the lime smell. Like, it cuts that if you know what castor oil smells like by itself, it's not too pleasant. It doesn't really have a scent that you want to smell all the time, but this has lime in there, so it makes it smell 1,000 times better. Here's the brand. You can find this in Walmart. I found this in Walmart the other day, and it was around $8 and some cents, something like that, which is a normal price, but I normally ordered off Amazon for the exact same price, so I just picked up like 3. And I also still use, I should say, my spray bottle with water, half water and half rose water, and that's what I've been using from the time I installed the locks. If you look at my old videos, you'll see that's exactly what I use. Now, as far as my parting, all my parts is still there. It's due for a retie, which is why I decided to do the video now, so you guys can see how it looks when it needs to be retightened. I'm going to take this thing down and do the back. Yeah, here's the hair. Here's the back. And all the parts is still there. Everything is still there. I'm going to try not to go too fast so you guys can see. Everything is still there. Let me turn back around so you guys not talking to my back. I did put a color a few months back in the back of my head just to experiment. I said I would never bleach the hair, and I truly meant that, because I experimented enough when I had sister locks. That's out of my system. I'm good. That's okay. I'll stick to black. But what I put in the back was I'll insert some pictures, as a matter of fact, because I took pictures of the actual box that I used, and it didn't do no damage, didn't cause drying. And I purchased the, is it L'Oreal? No. I purchased the Garnier Color Me Happy shampoo. It's the one in like the pink bottle, and it says Color Me Happy. That's what it says on there. That's what I purchased when I dyed the hair, but it's been over like 9 months. No, it's been maybe like 6 months since I dyed it, and I wanted blue black. Okay, for anyone that knows what blue black is, that's what I wanted. They didn't have that in the store, so I picked up purple. I figured that was the next best thing. So whatever color you guys see in the back, that's what it turned out to be. I don't know what color it is, but it's something like that. Let me show you guys. Let me come closer. See, if you can see it. I don't know if the light's gonna really show it, but whatever this is that you're seeing, that's the color that it turned out to be. I continue to use the 2-point rotation. I'm still using my interlock tool. I don't know exactly how many locks I have. I haven't combined any. But I honestly don't have a full count, because I know I've made 1 or 2 with my struggle edges. See, don't know it's stuck. I made 1 or 2 with my struggle edges, as I like to call them, new locks. So I have to do a new count, and then I'll update you guys on that too. But yeah, that's it. little on me and its neatness. I hope you guys see the hair. Guys, I have a whole ponytail. Anyway, thanks for watching. I told you guys it was short and sweet, to the point. Till next time, stay blessed.